Hello everyone, and thanks for joining. Today I'll show you how to manage your topic preferences on TikTok using an Android mobile device. This will help you customize your feed by choosing which topics to see more or less of. Let's get started step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Next, tap on Manage Topics. You will see a list of topics. To see more of a topic, drag it to the right. To see less, drag it to the left. Then, click Save at top right corner. That's how you customize your TikTok feed by managing topics on Android. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.